GenAI for DevOps engineers, 30 days, real labs, real workflows. Launch price, $39, limited seats. Why this program exists? Most DevOps engineers know GenAI is important. Very few actually know how it fits into their day-to-day work. This program is built to fix exactly that. Not theory, not buzzwords, not build ChatGPT clone content. In 30 days, you'll understand, build, and run GenAI workflows that make sense for DevOps engineers using real tools, real infra, and hands-on labs. Schedule and format. Duration, 1 month. Batches, evening and morning batches. Days, Monday to Wednesday, 7 a.m., 8 a.m. PST, and 7 p.m., 8 p.m. PST. Time hacked 1 hour per session. Format, live instructor-led sessions. Recordings. Yes, for enrolled students. Who this is for? This program is designed for DevOps, platform, SRE engineers, cloud engineers curious about GenAI, professionals who want hands-on exposure, not just videos, anyone planning a GenAI transition in 2026. This is not for people looking for shortcuts or certificates only. What you'll actually learn, DevOps focused. Over 30 days, we focus on practical GenAI skills that directly map to real DevOps workflows. This program avoids academic theory and focuses on how GenAI is actually used by DevOps engineers in real systems. Week 1 foundations GenAI through a DevOps lens. We start by understanding how modern language models work while keeping a strong infrastructure and systems perspective. 1. Transformer architecture in simple terms. Learn how large language models works and why this matters for debugging and automation tasks in DevOps. 2. Building a DevOps chatbot using LangChain. Build a chatbot that answers DevOps-related questions, such as operational commands, runbooks, and troubleshooting steps. 3. Introduction to Hugging Face for DevOps engineers. Understand Hugging Face models, datasets, spaces, and libraries, and deploy your own Hugging Face space as a managed service. Week 2. Running GenAI in real environments. This week focuses on how DevOps engineers run GenAI systems locally and in production like any other service. 1. Prompt engineering for operational use cases. Learn how to write reliable prompts for boot log analysis, debugging, automation, and incident response. 2. Using Ollama for local GenAI setup. Run language models locally for development testing and secure environments. 3. Using VLLM for production readiness. Understand performance, memory concurrency, and cost considerations when serving models in production. Week 3. AI agents for real DevOps work. This week introduces multi-step AI agents and how they can automate common DevOps tasks. 1. AI agents for DevOps workflows. Learn how agents plan, execute, and coordinate tasks similar to real-world DevOps automation. 2. Building a DevOps code review system using N8N. Create an automated workflow that reviews code, detects issues, and integrates with DevOps pipelines. 3. Debugging performance issues using Crew AI. Build agents that analyze logs, metrics, and symptoms to help identify performance bottlenecks. Week 4. GenAI in Cloud Native and Kubernetes systems. The final week connects GenAI with Kubernetes Cloud Native tooling and real production systems. 1. Debugging Kubernetes issues using AI. Use GenAI to analyze pod failures, events, logs, and configuration problems. 2. Building a DevOps chatbot using RAG. Build a chatbot that answers questions using your own documentation, runbooks, and operational knowledge. 3. Model Context Protocol for DevOps. Understand how MCP enables structured and safe interaction between language models and DevOps systems. What you will walk away with. By the end of 30 days, you will understand how to apply GenAI in real DevOps environments. You will know how to run models, build AI-powered DevOps tools, debug systems faster, and think about GenAI from a production reliability perspective. Labs. This is the real value. This is not a video-only course. You'll get guided, hands-on labs, real environments, time-bound, controlled access, exercises that mirror real DevOps plus GenAI usage, clear instructions, no guessing, no broken notebooks. Why the price? Let's be transparent. We provide real CPU-enabled labs. Sessions are live, not recycled recordings. Content is designed specifically for DevOps engineers. You get direct guidance, not just videos. What happens after this program? This 30-day program is an entry point. After completing it, you'll be in a much better position to decide if GenAI is right for you. Join advanced, longer programs. Build deeper projects with confidence. Bonus. Completion certificate. Priority access to future programs. Special upgrade benefits for advanced cohorts. Pricing, launch price $39. Regular value $99. Limited seats, labs are capped for 1 month. Final note, this program will not magically change your career in 30 days. what it will do, remove confusion around GenAI, give you real hands-on exposure, help you think like a GenAI aware DevOps engineer. If that sounds valuable to you, this is a no-brainer.